SQL injection vulnerabilities pose a serious threat, accounting for 42% of all data breaches. This isn't just a theoretical concern. In 2012, hackers exploited this vulnerability to expose 450,000 Yahoo user passwords, resulting in severe damage to trust, reputation, and finances. SQL injection occurs when attackers manipulate website database queries to access sensitive information like passwords and admin credentials. With just a few lines of malicious code, attackers can compromise entire databases, putting your organization at serious risk. For Ruby on Rails developers, Active Record ORM provides essential protection. By using parameterized queries, you can ensure all inputs are properly sanitized. Instead of writing vulnerable queries like user.where, email equals email, use the secure format user.where email:email. This simple change makes a significant difference in your application's security. Regular security audits are crucial for maintaining strong defenses. Tools like Brakeman and following OWASP guidelines help identify and prevent vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. With SQL injection rated as a critical threat carrying the highest possible CVSS score of 10, protecting your applications must be a top priority. To dive deeper into specific techniques and best practices, visit our website to read the full article. Don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more updates on securing your applications.